Hi and welcome to another video. The video today is going to be another unboxing video. There are 4 boxes that I'm gonna open today. The first one is from the distributors, and I had to move the camera way up and actually stand by the table today to do this unboxing here, because this box here is 17 kilos of brass and steel, and I need some parts from this box now, so that's why I had to deal with it. I'm actually busy trying to relocate most of my items up here in the work cave, so hopefully within a month or so I can make a nice tour video and show you around and show you some of my work progress here. So but for now, let's get these boxes opened and take the parts out, and then I can put them into some of their hopefully new locations in my new shelving arrangement. So let's see. First we got packing materials. We have used brown paper for these things. We don't have shredded invoices, so it's not like with Jason. So now what do we have in here? I ordered this about a month ago or so, I can't even actually remember what I ordered. So this is gonna be a surprise video for me as well. So let's. This is a Ruko 1601. That's the night latch with the 1200 cylinder. So that as well. And just put them aside here behind the box. And number 4, you've seen those in previous videos. These ones are the 1622. Those are the ones with like this one with the cylinder on the back. So we've seen that in the previous video as well. So I got 2 of those. Always nice to have around. What else is in here? D12 Euro cylinder with a 20mm extension on the cylinder side. It's a good versatile length. It's quite often enough for an emergency lock situation. This will almost always protrude through the front of the door, and it might stick out a centimeter or something, but it's better than having an unlocked door, so good to have one of those. Then, just for curiosity reasons, I ordered a safe lock from FAS. As you can see, the keys are in a sealed envelope, so when I install this somewhere no one can know what the bidding is like. You can get actually keys coming out now, so I'll just put that away for now. Now what do we have here? Key blanks. Five-pin Y1 compatible Ruko 5-pin key blanks. These are the 6-pin open VT profile, also just the cheaper non-Ruko equivalent. An extra box of 5-pin. So it's a total of 100. Another VT 6-pin. So a total of 100 of those as well. These are the RB key blanks. What's that? 50. Slow on those, so those were partially why I needed to and now what do we have here? Padlocks. just cheapo padlocks for emergency jobs. Euro locks with 3 keys, and everything in these boxes are keyed alike, so that's like 30 keyed alike padlocks with 90 keys. So again, not a high security thing, but if you just need to emergency lock a gate or storage in a basement, then they're well enough for that. And what do we have here? I can't even remember. Yellow padlocks. These are 30 millimeters. I think they're the Y110/30. So can't remember if these are keyed alike or not, but yeah, there's 10 of these. Let's check the bidding, if we can get the box open. And as we can hear in the background, Amalie has found a ball. Yes, Amalie, I can't attend to you right now, I'm recording. Oh, tiny! Again, nice bidding. Works perfectly like any other Yale padlock would do, so nothing new about that. And I think the other is 10. I think these are 40 millimeter. Let's just open them up, and no, 35 millimeters. Can't even remember what I ordered, but yeah. I mean, of course, if I needed something to be safe, I would recommend a Ruko padlock, but for just low security applications, I'm quite sure that these will be way sufficient just to keep honest people out. So let's see. Again, nice gatekeeper there, so yeah. 35 millimeter, nothing special about that, just a padlock, but they were on sale, so I thought I would just get a box full. Now let's get this out of the way and see what is next on our list. Some might know by now that I have a thing about Wera tools, and I came across this one, and of course I had to buy it. Not that I really needed anything from this box, but I had to get it. So let's see what's actually inside. I think this is the bar edition, so you get beer coasters, you get a bottle opener, and you get a tray to serve it. So if you're having a tool party, you can use the Wera tray to serve things. And actually the main reason for getting this was actually that I needed these two screwdrivers that I haven't had from Wera before. These are a special kind where the metal part is going all the way through to the back here, so you can actually use them as an emergency chisel. Not that you wouldn't normally do that with any of your slotted screwdrivers, but this one is actually designed to be used as chisels. So if you come across old screws that's full of paint, then these ones are perfect for cleaning up the screws in old strikes where there's like 100 layers of paint. And then there's two of the 1000-volt screwdrivers, miniature, for electrical work. And then we have another Torx 15, another Torx 20, Torx 25, and then we have a flat blade 4mm. That's a posse number 1. That's actually perfect for tail pieces on the old Ruko ovals. And then Phillips number 2, a posse number 2, the bottle opener, packaging material, and the coasters. We can Tool Rebel. Yes. Perfect. So, what's next? Next we have this box here. This is actually an online score. This should be 30 ovals with the rim cylinder attachment so that they can be used for the night latches. These are regular 6-pin versions, but my plan is to actually change the plug in some of them and convert them into 1200s, but the price was so low that I just had to get them. They were cheaper than and for those interested in knowing, this one weighs about 10 kilos for 30 cylinders, so this is quite heavy stuff. And again, if we have a look at the key, there, as always, nice close to the maximum adjacent cutting size keys here. So what you would expect from a Ruko. And then these are the cups that they go into, and I think these are just this is the security bracket and a set of screws. So yeah, let's get this out of the way. And then we have this one. This is actually from Multipick in Germany. They also had something on sale that I had to get, and if I can find the driver, I wanted a reverse action snap gun, picking gun, because let's see what's in here. From Dino, so just a generic random quality snap gun, but it's not often that we come across profile cylinders in Denmark, but if I do come across an old 5-pin, then it's more handy to have something that fires down instead of have to try to hold this upside down and get it under the door handle. So yeah. And then I actually also ordered a pinning kit. They were also on sale, I guess. But yeah, it's the thing about web shops, when you just sit there and you end up just putting way more in your basket than you really need. But yeah. So yeah, that was it for this one. So now I can actually get these items into their nice new containers in the cave here, and I'll just be back. I think the next video will be a quick one about some warnings about how to listen for warning signals from your profile cylinders when they're about to give up life at some critical work on the cylinder. So I'll look at that in my next video, but that'll be all for now. Take care and stay safe. Bye.